By YouTube. So today we're starting off with brand new horns for the Genesis. This is the brand that I used. There's two, so there's a high and a low side. I got this brand just because also came with a relay. These four connections are ground and power that go to the four horns terminals. They're not marked, so you're gonna have to look at the diagram. This one's power. This one's ground. Plugged into your factory harness. If you don't have a factory harness like I do, because I cut it, then you can just get some spray terminals like these with some wire attached and make your own connections. This is power. The one that I don't like is the ground. So we got two grounds to the horns. But the ground for the relay, it's right here. It's like super short. Don't know why. But if I gotta extend the wires, I would. And this goes main power to your battery or your power source. Once I bought, it didn't come with hardware, so I had to buy these screws. Luckily, I had them laying around. Don't know what size they are. They just happen to be screws that fit. Yep. I'm gonna need a third screw because I'm gonna have to custom fab a bracket to mount the horns. I found this laying around. I wasn't gonna use this, but if I do, I might supposed to get a wrench in there so I can tighten it. On the spot that I want to put it, it's gonna be too tight. But when I figured this out together, it was gonna work out. Way too thick to cut in the grinder. Not including I don't have the fucking right blade. Then the blades I have are way too thick. I took some PVC, cut it. Bet you can get it. The two holes are already here, so why not? So this is what I came with. Final product. I don't give a fuck. As long as it works. Drill a hole in the middle. Put another screw right behind the radiator support, and that's it. We're good. Alright, YouTube. So all you guys already know how to hook up horns. That's the bracket. Nice and solid. As neat as you're gonna get those wires to be. That's my ground. That's the relay. Power wire goes up there, cuts through the headlight. Goes into my main power source. Those are my two factory wires that went to the horn. That plugged in, like I said, diagram. And if I unlock my car, that's what you want here.